So, dear students, see, I am here to discuss the conversion 4. See, there are 10 conversions. So, I will give the roots for the each and every conversion. See, here the first conversion is allyl alcohol. Double bond CH, CH2, OH. The product is, this is Cl dichloroacetone or CH2CH2Cl 1,3-dichloropropane 2-one. This is the reaction. See, there is no change in the number of carbon atoms. There is a double bond to introduce the certain groups in the molecule. So, but it is converted here. This carbon is converted to the keto group. This is converted here. The chlorine is introduced, and this chlorine is introduced. It is easy. It's not a difficult process. See, the OH can be replaced with the Cl. Through this, Cl can be introduced. So that is the. Let us see. The root is SOCl2 thionyl chloride, Dargin's reagent, CH2Cl, very simple. This is the carbon-carbon double bond through which we can introduce the Cl and OH. For that we can addition reaction. For that we can use the hypochlorous acid, that is Cl plus and OH minus. This is the electrophile, this is the nucleophile, this is the unsymmetrical ethylenic center. That is, the addition takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. Cl plus goes to here and nucleophile OH minus ion goes to here. Now, this is on third carbon atom also, that is Cl is introduced, OH. This is the CH2Cl. Now, next one is, this is the carbonyl carbon, alcohol. Now, this is secondary alcohol. This on treatment with any of this thing, CrO3, H plus secondary alcohol and oxidation gives the Collins reagent CH2Cl. Oh, that's all. So, convert it to this is a very simple conversion. One. And let me write the second one. Cyclohexanol to cyclohexanol 2. This is CH2NH2. See, this is the new group introduced. It is not a new group introduced. See, repeatedly I am telling, cyanide on reduction gives, that is aminomethylene group, that is CH2NH2 group. So this we can get from the cyanide. So can it react with the cyanide? Now how to introduce the cyanide on this carbon? You have to convert into the carbonyl group here. This is oxidation, secondary alcohol or oxidation with the chromic acid or anything CrO3 H plus ion. This is converted into cyclohexanol. This is the carbonyl group. Carbonyl group has the reaction with the Hessian. The carbonyl compounds take part in the nucleophilic addition reactions. The first addition is that is Hessian, where H plus ion is the electrophile and cyanide ion is the nucleophile. Addition takes place, cyanohydrin is formed. This is the H is added to this. This is positive charge, nucleophile is added to this, C triple bond N. This on hydrogen nickel or lithium aluminium hydride, that is R. Lithium aluminium hydride. This carbon is converted into, this is CH2. This nitrogen is converted into amine group. We achieved the required product. First oxidation followed by Hessian reaction, and then third one is the hydrogen in the presence of the nickel. And third conversion is that's very simple conversion. This is acetone to. This is little lengthy conversion. This is acetone let me write like this. This too. Neopentanoic acid, right? Neopentanoic acid. This is the case. It's not simple conversion. See, you treat with the magnesium in the amalgamated magnesium. So what happens? That is dimerization takes place. So reaction is ketones when treated with the magnesium, dimerization takes place. Diradical is formed. This is the 2 plus ion minus minus, and this on acidification gives the pinacol 2,3-dimethyl butane diol 2,3-diol is formed. Now this on heating with the acid pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. So now you get the CH3, CH3, simple pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. This is double bond OCH3. Wagner-Williams rearrangement, pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. This is called as the pinacalone. This is the pinacol. This is treatment with that is sodium hydroxide and iodine iodoform reaction, because this gives this is the methyl ketone, this gives the pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. So this gives the iodoform test. So this is converted into the iodoform, this is converted into the CH3. This is CH3. Say the what instead of salt I am writing directly, that is actually sodium salt is formed, plus this is CHI3 is formed along with the small other products. This on acidification gives this product. So it is lengthy, and you have to conduct the reaction in the planned manner. That is so there. The dimerization of the ketones, pinacol is conversion of the ketones can be converted to pinacol by treating with the amalgamated magnesium. That is again this reaction is carried. And the fourth one is the very simple reaction. That is very simple reaction. And you can rewind and check up. And this is the fourth one. 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexene. This is converted into, that is 3 plus 3, 6 carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adipic acid. So no change in the number of carbon atom. So it is, there is a double bond. We can, through the double bond, we can cut it. Ozonolysis. Ozonolysis means reductive ozonolysis only. That is, one, treat with the ozone, two, treat with the water in the presence of zinc dust. So our oxidative ozonolysis also nothing will happen. This is the your product. Diketone is formed, ring is opened. Now methyl ketone. Treat with the sodium hydroxide and iodine iodoform reaction. So this cuts. So that is salt of, this is sodium. Yeah, sodium salt of, this is carbon atoms are decreased and normally it is converted into this is. And now this on acidification. Not this one. See, OH. So hexane 1,6-diol. Now this is on acidification gives H3O plus. Carboxylic acid, salt is converted into carboxylic acid. Now it is treated with the lithium aluminium hydride, which reduce the carboxylic acid group into primary alcohol group, right? Same known reaction. So this is the star carbon, this is the star carbon converted to star versus star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane 1,6-diol. Hexane 1,6-diol is the name of the compound. So this is the root for this one. And fifth one is an aldol condensation. Here what we do is cyclohexanone 2. Cyclopentene carboxylic acid. This is the case. Now, here what happens? See, convert into the, you have to use the internal aldol condensation. Convert into corresponding alcohol by treating with the hydrogen, nickel or any other thing, lithium aluminum hydride. This is treated with the H plus heat dehydration. Ozanalysis, reductive ozanalysis RO. Then what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dialdehyde is formed. Hexane 1,6-diol aldehyde is formed. Now this on treatment with that is OH minus. Aldol condensation takes place. Carbanion generated here attacks on this. So then what happens? This is, and 5-member ring is formed. This is the OH. This is double bond H. This is 5-member ring closure takes place. This is converted into the OH. This on treatment heating that gives dehydration takes place. In conjugation, elimination takes place from this bond. Conjugated double bond is formed. That is, new double bond is formed in the conjugation with the existing double bond. This is formed. Now nothing. This is oxidation. So there is a double bond. One should be careful in dealing with the double bond. This is what happens. That is to use the Tollens reagent. Ammonical silver nitrate solution. This is converted into the. So careful, oxidizing. You can't use the word regular oxidizing agent because I have already this thing. Otherwise, here if I apply the word this convert into the COOH, this is also involved in the oxidation. So good, that is the Tollens reagent that is converted into the carboxylic acid. So said compound is formed. Good procedure. And now the sixth one is, this is succinic acid. Butane 1,4-dioic acid. This too is corresponding hexanoic acid. Two carbon atoms are increased. See, there is an increase of 2 carbon atoms here. See, there are three procedures. The best one is the less complicated is the for our convenience use lithium aluminum hydride. Corresponding alcohols are formed. This is the carboxylic carbon. Alcohol on treatment with the lithium aluminum hydride reduced to the primary alcohol. Now treat with the PCl5 or SOCl2. Now it is converted to the alkyl chloride, right? 4 carbon containing. Now it is treated with the, this is KCl, potassium cyanide, or I will write this side. This is potassium cyanide. This is converted into the, this is cyano group is introduced. Cyano group is introduced. Now, once cyano group is introduced, this is the carbon, original carbon. Now, cyano group is introduced in place of the Cl on, that is on hydrolysis. This is converted into the 1, 2, 3 carboxylic acid, and this is on double bond OOH carboxylic acid. So, hexane dioic acid, 1,6-dioic acid or adipic acid is formed. So, very simple conversion. So, or else you can do one thing, that is through Arndt-Weishaupt reaction, you know. You can use the Arndt-Weishaupt reaction, treat with the SOCl2. Acid is treated with the acid chloride. Acid chloride is treated with the diazomethane and followed by, that is heating with the moist silver oxide. That is through ketene intermediate you will get the, that is called, this side elongation takes place, this side elongation takes place. Arndt-Weishaupt reaction is used to, that is increase the length of the, that is carboxylic acid, to bring homologation of the carboxylic acid. Lower carboxylic acid can be converted into the its corresponding higher homolog. Acetic acid to propanoic acid to butanoic acid. That is the other procedure. And next one is the acetone to if there is a ketone, always we have to suspect that is what you say CH3 acetone part, CH2 COOH. See, this is the acetone part, something is added to this. So we can suspect that is aldol condensation. This on treatment with the base like sodium hydroxide or anything. What happens? Aldol condensation takes place. Acetone CH2 of second molecule. Acetone. So this on heating produce CH3 CH3 double bond aldol dehydration. This is the acetone to aldol condensation, acetyl oxide condensation product of the acetone. Now what to do? This is, we have to cut this carbon. I told you this is the methyl ketone. This carbon can be cut by using the iodine in the presence of sodium hydroxide iodoform test. So this is a methyl carbon can be removed from there and this is converted to the carboxylic acid. See, instead of the salt I am writing the that is and carboxylic acid directly. This is followed one, this second one H3O plus to decrease the one step again and writing again and again. Now remove this with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, that is double bond is hydrogenated, that compound is formed. Over. And other thing is the acetophenone, methyl phenyl ketone 2, acetonilide, C, acetophenone 2. This is methyl phenyl ketone 2. What is asking? C double bond O N H phenyl group. N phenyl acetamide, acetonylide. See, there is a route to prepare the and amides starting from the ketones. That is called as that is Beckmann's rearrangement. In this method, we treat with the hydroxylamine addition, ammonia derivative, addition followed by with all derivatives of ammonia, the aldehydes and ketones that reacts through addition followed by elimination mechanism. Oxime is formed. Ketoxime. This on treatment with the acid, in the presence of ketoxime, in the presence of the acid, it undergoes the rearrangement that is called as the Beckmann's rearrangement. Anti-group, which is opposite to this phenyl, is not properly represented here. This is Sin2, OH is Sin2 methyl, same side of the methyl, opposite side of the phenyl. See, I have to write the word this way. Phenyl group. This is migrated. Now ultimately you get the one step isomerization. N-phenyl, ethanamide, acetamide. Phenylamides are called as anilydes. It is called as acetonylide. This product is formed. So next one is that is ninth one is, this is very simple. This is orthonitrotoluene. Right, orthonitrotoluene to that is thalamide, amide of thalic acid. See, yesterday we discussed about the thalamide. See, thalamide preparation is this. See, thalic acid. You can directly heat with the ammonia, thalic acid, or that is heat with heat. C4 dicarboxylic acid, it loses the water and produce the thalic anhydride. This on heating with the ammonia, SNAC reaction takes place, thalamide is formed. Thalamide. Or directly on heating with the ammonia also, thalic acid, you can prepare the thalamide. That yesterday we discussed in the Gabriel thalamide synthesis or Gabriel thalamide reaction, where alkyl halides can be converted to the primary amines. So now how to this one? This should convert into the benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid, that is thalic acid. Thalic acid. How to convert nitro group to be converted into the COOH group? How? There is a procedure. That is and Sandmeyer reaction, diazonium salt, Sandmeyer reaction with KCN and copper, this thing. See, treat with that is Sn plus SCl, where amino group is a nitro group is reduced to the amino group, right? This you know. One thing. The second thing is this on treatment with the NaNO2 plus SCl under low temperature conditions, it is converted into that is diazonium salt plus Cl minus methyl remains as it is. This is treated with the KCN in the presence of copper cyanide, or you can write it in place of the cuprous cyanide, K3Cu Cn taken 4 times, or this instead of this, because cuprous cyanide with KCN gives the potassium tetracyanocuprate 1, right? And this is due to this, what happens here, this is CH3, this is converted into the cyanide. cyano group is introduced through the amino group, aromatic amino group. This is part is over. Now this you convert into that is on hydrolysis. Let it convert into the carboxylic acid COOH. This is CH3. Now this is treatment with the KMnO4, that is methyl group is oxidized to its corresponding carboxylic acid. So this is aromatic. The alkyl groups connected to the benzene ring can be converted into this. Directly you treat with the ammonia, it gives the benzamide. There I have given the reactions, right? Or you can convert into the anhydride, and anhydride on reaction with the ammonia gives that is thalamide. pH thalamide. This is highly acidic hydrogen, thalamide hydrogen. Repeatedly I am telling you, because this conjugate base is stabilized by the resonance with the two C double bond O groups. Therefore, it is easy to remove. It is used in the form of potassium thalamide, which acts as a nucleophilic reagent. KOH potassium thalamide is formed. So this is, and the last one is the 10th one is the very simple conversion. Very simple conversion. So that is the propine triple bond C CH3. So he is asking to prepare the 2-deutero. This. See, it is not easy introducing the 1-deuterium. It has to be introduced through the halogen atom. So that is, suppose if you have the methyl chloride, and to prepare the monodeuteromethane. This is difficult. This is treat with the magnesium, convert into the Grignard reagent MgCl. This is negative, needs the H plus ion. Now treat with the D2O, you will get the monodeuteromethane. Right? So our methane 2, that is to prepare the methane to monodeuteromethane, treat with the chlorine in the presence of light. Methyl chloride is formed through this route. Well, you can introduce the 1 chloride. So this next thing is, now you see, you treat with the DBr. Why DBr? Treat with the HBr. Now addition takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule. CH2 double bond CBr. Markovnikov addition, that's all, 1 mole. Now treat this with the magnesium ether, that is CH2 double bond C MgBr, corresponding Grignard reagent. Vinyl halides also, aryl halides, vinyl halides also can be converted to the Grignard reagent. That is, this is formed. Now to introduce this one, you treat with the heavy water, that is this is replaced with the D, that's all. So that is 2-deutero, propene is formed. That's all the 10 conversions given. I have provided given that is the appropriate routes for the conversion, and please verify and thank you.